Now, before you install the Kizen miter fence, I would double check the factory fence. On this dewalt, a lot of saws are way out. Look at that. And that's locked down. I got it all locked down, and it pulls it, and it's way out, a square. So how do we fix that? I'm gonna show you with this other fence. If I go to put the Kizen on it still without modifying anything, it's gonna be the same. So it's not my fence, it's the factory fence. So how do you fix that? That's gonna be adding aluminum tape to the back, which is like right here. There's 3 layers of aluminum tape on this one. And you bring it in, and now look at that. Tips are nice, they're looking great. I just wanted to go over some tips on how to install the Kizen miter fence. Now, on the left side of this dewalt 718, the fences are the factory fence is a little longer. So what I want to do is come over here and check and see where the blade's at. Slide this all the way over till I'm almost touching. And I want to draw a pencil line right here. So now that'll give me reference when I go to drill. I want to come and turn this around, and I want to drill in that area. Double check the back, because there's going to be ribs on the factory fence, and you want to avoid those for the cam clamps. Then, since you're in this mode, you could also drill one near the end. So if you do slide, leave yourself some options. You can drill as many holes in here as you want. Just stay away from the ribs. Or if you have to, I've had some guys say that they've grinded out the ribs where they wanted it. So there's no problems doing that. Then, like I said, you come over here, double check the ribs aren't in the way, and mark, and then use the Kizen fence. That's what that hole is on the front, is for you to use a 1/4" drill bit. So we already have it set up, so you can get it so it'll be in the line for that T-slot. So I come over here and I'll drill the hole, and now I'll turn it around, and then we can put the cam clamps on, and I can tighten it up. But you do the same thing for the other side too. I'm just telling you, just give yourself some reference time. Thanks for watching. A lot of questions were asked is, how tall can you cut stuff with the Kizen miter fence? Well, it all really depends on your saw model. So this 12-inch dewalt with a 3/4 thick piece material can only cut 6 3/4 tall. And that has to do with where the motor parts are on the main body. So when you go back with this one, I'd have to lock it in right in here to avoid all this part here. So that's pretty much what stops us there. Plus this safety device, or this deflection shield. Now that can be removed, and that would open up you cutting 8-inch crown. And I'm going to show you that.